In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to give your website a fresh new look or simply match the color scheme of your brand, adjusting your background color is a simple and effective way to enhance your site's aesthetic. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps you'll need to take. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is your central hub for making changes to your site's design and layout. Once you're logged in, look for your website on the dashboard and click on Edit Site. This will bring up the Wix editor, where all the magic happens. Now that you have the Wix editor open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. It's a user-friendly space designed to give you control over every aspect of your website's appearance. From here, the next step is to focus on the page background, which is the canvas for your site's look. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu bar. Here, find the option that says Page Background and click on it. This feature allows you to make changes specifically to the background of your chosen page without altering other parts of your site. Whether you want a subtle change or a dramatic one, this is where you'll start making those adjustments. Once you've clicked on Page Background, look for the option marked Change Color Theme. Clicking this will open a color picker, which provides a palette of colors to choose from. If you have specific brand colors in mind, you can also input the exact color code to ensure consistency with your branding. Take a moment to experiment with different color options. The preview tool is immensely helpful here, allowing you to see how each color affects the overall feel of your website before you commit to any changes. It's important to consider how the background color interacts with other elements on your page, such as text and images, ensuring that everything stands out as it should. Once you've settled on a background color that you love and that complements your site's content, simply save your work to finalize the changes. The Save button is typically located in the upper right corner of the editor. Remember, you can always revert back or adjust settings as you see fit, giving you the flexibility to keep your website looking just the way you want. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on changing background colors in Wix Studio. With just a few simple steps, you've learned a powerful way to customize your site and make it uniquely yours. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials that help bring your website ideas to life.